Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to add a signature to your Gmail, to create a signature, sorry. So the first thing you need to do is to click on settings at the right hand side of your Gmail. So it's just over here. So you click on settings, then you click on see all settings there. So you need to make sure you are on the general tab. So make sure you're in general in settings, then scroll all the way down. Just keep scrolling until you see signature. Yeah, there it is. So this is signature. You need to then click on create new, the plus sign. There's a tab there to click. Then you need to name your new signature. So we'll call this example 1. Then click on create. So when you click on create, your next point of action will be to enter whatever information you would like to see on your signature. So it depends on your preference, what you like. So you can do whatever you want actually. So you can change your font. You could choose any font you prefer. We can go with the Homer. You can make it bold, you can add a picture, you can change the alignment, you can make the colors whatever color you want to make it. So first things first though, so let's start with the name. So we'll say Sarah Peters. So Sarah Peters, she works for Tasty Bites. And she works as a chef. Okay. Okay, and she has an email address, which is Sarah. Oh, 1 second. Sarah.peters@tastybites.com. Okay, so we can make this clickable. Just click on that. Point it to the next. Let's see, maybe she has an email address. Sorry, the website called that. So you can add a website. The same thing, just make it clickable as well. Okay, if you want to add a picture or a logo, what you need to do is just to go on insert image and click on that. Then you can get an image from your drive or from your file manager. You have to upload that on Gmail, or if you have a link to a picture, you can easily paste that there. So I'm just gonna take the picture from my drive. Right click on this one and select it. So that's my picture over there. So this is a bit too large for me, so I'm just gonna reduce the size a little bit. So if I click on the picture itself and medium, so this is a good size for me. I can also change the color of my text. So I can click on, just highlight this one and make it maybe a bit bold. There, okay, that's a little bit bold, that's good. So I can also change the color of this one and make it maybe red, let's say there. Okay, that's a bit dull. Do something a bit brighter. Good, that's very, very catchy. So if you do that, then you come all the way down here. The purpose of this place is just to, when you're trying to compose an email, if you'd like your signature to show on the email you're composing, then you have to click on the signature you'd like to show. So in this instance, I'm just going to use example 1 because that's the only signature I have on this Gmail account. So I'm just going to click on this one. If you don't want your signature to show on your composed emails, just do no signature. Okay, but for me I wanted to show, so it's just going to be example 1. If you want your signatures to show on your emails you reply to and you forward, then you have to do the same thing over here. You just click on example 1 as well. When you're done and you're happy with your with what you've created, you scroll all the way down and make sure you click save changes. Okay, so we're just going to click on that, and once you're done, just go over to compose and see what it looks like. Okay, so there we go. So that's what it's going to look like for you, depending on what you use for your Gmail. So I can just go, hi there, hi there, hope you are okay, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you, bye, see you on the next video, bye.